Want to clear history, cache and cookies from Safari on your iPhone or iPad? Here's how to do it. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Safari, or also you can search for it. Once you're in this page, now what you will need to do is scroll down, head towards the option Clear History and Website Data. Now you will need to customize these settings. Clear time frame, set it to all history. Clear for profile, you can select all profiles and enable for the option close all tabs. Then click on the option clear history. With that, all the cache and cookies of Safari will be cleared. Likewise, scroll down and click on the option advanced. Click on website data. Over here as well, you're gonna find the website data. If you're looking for deleting a specific data, you can swipe to left and select the option delete, or else you can click on the option remove all website data. Click on remove now. Then you can launch your Safari and check. And that's it, you have just cleared Safari history, cache and cookies. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.